What up, y'all? Welcome to another episode of Reviews by Myles. Today I'll be reviewing some t-shirts that got sent to me by Dnias Apparel. But before I get into that, my name is AlbertMylesMejia. I'm the owner and founder of Legal Hustle Clothing, the creative director of By Myles Design and Print Studios, and I'm also the creator of the Facebook group YYC Soldiers Calgary Sneaker Community. Now, today's review is brought to you by Dnias Apparel. Shoutouts to the owner Nia, who I've been speaking to for the last couple of months about this product. Reason being is because they actually don't send or ship out to Canada as of right now. They're aiming for, I believe, April to get it rolling to Canadians. But I was lucky enough to receive a giant box from her with a whole bunch of their product, which I'll just be reviewing, kind of just doing a field test. I will be doing a print video and a review on printing on the garments in a later video, but today we are just going to be going through the 3 types of t-shirts that they have on sale on their website right now. So if you guys are wondering, her website is dniasapparel.com. I will put the link in the bio. Now, when it comes to sublimation, the type of shirts that we are looking at is 100% polyester. You could also work with 50-50. But when it comes to washing, a lot of your design or the ink might actually wash away when you're just using a 50-50. I believe the requirements for sublimation is 65%, but if you could find something that's 100%, you're better at using that, and the colors are more vibrant with your inks when you press it. Now, if you're new to sublimation, sublimating is a gas that when it is pressed onto a garment that's polyester, the gas is actually infused into the fabric, so you actually don't feel the design or the ink at all. It actually is onto the garment itself. So we're gonna start this review. The first shirt, or the first garment that we have is, I really like this. They polybag each one of their shirts, but this one right here is the V-neck. At the end of the video, I will also be doing a fit test for all of you guys that are wondering how you fit. So this right here is a size large. Now I'm just gonna pull up a little bit of information on this t-shirt. This one right here is from their basic line. So already from this, I can already feel, it feels like cotton. It has like a little bit of stretch to it, which is also nice. So it's not totally fitted to your body, depending on what size you get. But this right here, super soft, polyester, 100% polyester V-neck t-shirt. Yeah, this actually feels like cotton. And the crazy part is this isn't even their deluxe edition. So they also do have a deluxe. Right here is just the V-neck, which is from their basic line. Things to know about this: again, 100% polyester. And yeah, it's their basic blank. To work with this, you want to press at 385 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 seconds. So if you're going to do it all over print, just remember you're going to have to print every part of the shirt for 60 seconds at 385 degrees Fahrenheit. The next product we have is their basic crew neck t-shirt. Again, wrapped in individual poly bags, which is also nice. The good thing about these is if when you're working with a customer and you don't have bags, or you ran out of supplies of bags, you can always recycle these and then print these shirts and then bag them back into the poly bags. So this right here is their basic t-shirt, again, 100% polyester. So these again have a nice little stretch to it, just like the V-neck. Nothing really different about this, but they feel good. There's a nice weight to it. One of the things I always like to check for is seeing if you can see a little bit through. So you can see a little bit of my skin through the shirt, but when you press or when you sublimate on shirts, depending on what you do, like for me, I like doing all over prints. You actually won't be able to see through this. So this is a super nice heavy, I like heavy weighted tee, so it's a little bit heavier. I like it. Again, it feels like cotton. Now the last shirt, this is the one that I've been super excited about. If you guys are wondering what I'm looking at, I have my iPad right here to make sure I have all the information. This is their deluxe t-shirt. Now what makes this deluxe is everyone always wants to sublimate on cotton. And the thing is, you cannot sublimate on cotton. The reason being why I believe cotton is a go-to shirt is because of the way it feels. When you think of polyester, a lot of people think of like a slippery type of silky type of material. But depending on the brands that you work with, like Dnias, these t-shirts really feel like cotton. Like, I'm not just saying this because they sent me a whole box. Like, it feels like cotton. It feels like just a regular basic t-shirt. If I wasn't gonna print on it, that's a basic white tee for me. Now this right here, this is their deluxe. So the way you can tell the difference too between the deluxe and the basic, I found, was with their tags. So this right here is for the basic, and this right here is their deluxe. So to go through this deluxe, this is a heavier tee. I like this already out of the bag. So the outer part of the shirt is 100% polyester, and now the inside part of the t-shirt, that's cotton. So you get two types of materials in one shirt. And personally, I don't know any other brand that has done that, where you get a polyester outer and a cotton inner. So this right here is already a game changer. Same thing about pressing this t-shirt, 385 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 seconds. And it says do not exceed 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So some shirts might be 400, some other garments, but this one right here, do not exceed over 400. So always make sure to have your temperature gun when you're printing on this shirt. But this right here, this is a dope tee. Like, I can feel it. There is a little bit of stretch, but the inside of it feels like the cotton t-shirts that I use when I'm pressing on heat transfer vinyl. Cool thing about this, I don't know, I might be that guy that sublimates on one side of it, and even if it looks inside out, it kind of looks cool if I printed some HTV on this side. So you can even have a 2-for-1 on a t-shirt here. So that's a tip for you. If you guys have already been ordering from Dnias Apparel, that's, different idea for you guys. But yeah, this right here, super dope. I like this weight on here. I'm not sure how many ounces this is, but just from the feel of it, from the shirts that I use right now that are cotton, it feels about like a 6.5 ounce shirt, thick. And let's check. This is it. You can barely see my skin on, or see through the shirt. So this is already a game changer. I know a lot of people in the sublimation world always look out for that, is the shirts are really thin, and all three of these shirts are not that, like, the two basic tees are actually not that thin compared to other polyester shirts that I've seen, like from Gildan. Gildan is super thin. I'm not really a huge fan of it, but if Gildan comes up with a new product, who knows, I might try that one out. But this deluxe t-shirt right here, this is, if you guys can already order and ship to you, if you're in the States, this is your go-to shirt right here for sublimation. Again, when they open up the orders or shipping to Canada, this for me right here, this is the shirt that I'm going for. Now, I am gonna do a fit check, so give me a second. So first shirt up is the V-neck. As you can see, you might be a little see-through. You might actually see some of my tattoos here. But usually with shirts, I wear an undershirt. There's no undershirt with this, but the fit, this is a size large. I'm 5'10", 170 pounds. I like my shirts a little bit more roomy, and I always like to fold up my sleeves. So feel-wise, fit-wise, this is, like, I like it. It's not too heavy. It's not as heavy as the Deluxe Tee, but it has like a nice weight. This is a very good shirt for summertime, super flowy. If you guys are into that, I just like mine not as fitted. It kind of feels a little bit like an Under Armour shirt. That's kind of the feel that I get with this. I do like a little bit of that stretch in here. So yeah, this is the V-neck. You guys can see how it fits. Next shirt we have on deck is the basic t-shirt. This, to be honest, this really does feel like an Under Armour shirt. Super, again, like the V-neck. Stretchy, I like the stretch. The way it fits, I like the sleeve part. It's not too long, not too short, but again, for me, I love just rolling up my sleeve just for the style of it, aesthetic-wise. I just love rolling up my sleeves. I am wearing an undershirt, so you guys might see that again. Like I said in the previous fitting, I don't like wearing shirts without undershirts, so got an undershirt for this. You can kind of see. Again, 5'10", 170 pounds. This is a size large in a t-shirt. Last but not least, the Deluxe t-shirt. Now I do remember saying that it does have a little bit of stretch, but compared to the basic tee, it's not as like flowy, I guess. I don't know really what the term you'd say, but it's not as flowy. But the fit on this is dope. This is again a size large, 5'10", and you guys can see the sleeves rolled up. You know, if you want to do two, this one I could probably just do one. But this feels dope, man. Like I can feel the cotton. Again, I am wearing an undershirt underneath, but I think with this for the summertime, especially because there's a cotton interior, I wouldn't have to really wear an undershirt. But this feels dope. Like if you guys follow my Instagram account, you guys know that I love Kirkland or Costco white tees, and this right here kind of like fits nice. Again, in the next video, I will be printing. I'm going to be printing on this shirt right here. I'm going to be doing an all-over print of a design that I've been working on. But until then, shoutouts to Dnias Apparel for sending me, again, a box full of t-shirts, V-necks, and everything for me to try everything out before I even get to order it. And for sending it to Canada. I know it's a little bit expensive to ship across the border, but shoutouts to her for sending me all this product. If you guys are on Instagram, please follow me on Instagram at by.myles, on Twitter at bymiles, on Twitch, twitch.tv.bymiles, and on Facebook, facebook.com/bymiles. My website is going to be coming again March 17th, www.bymilesstudios.com. We reached the goal of 100 subscribers, so again, thank you guys for helping me reach that goal before March 17th. I will be doing a giveaway soon, so make sure to follow me here or subscribe to me here on YouTube, but follow me on Twitter and on Instagram and Facebook, where I will be putting all the information on all of the on the platforms. But I want to set a new goal. I have a goal set for 1,000 subscribers by July 17th, 2021. If you guys can please help me out. If you guys haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, please share this with your friends, your family, your social media platforms. And yeah, thank you again, guys, for all the support. I'm new to this stuff, and you know, I just have a lot of experiences and stories and everything I want to share with you guys on my journey of streetwear and how streetwear has ruined my life. So again, thank you guys for following this chapter. Until then, giveaways coming soon. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.